You are going to love the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power tailgate, Harman Kardon sound system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.